Earth looks calm from space. Blue oceans, white clouds, green continents. But surrounding our planet is something invisible, something vital, something that shields us from a deadly universe. Earth's magnetic field, it deflects radiation, guides compasses, powers auroras, and protects our atmosphere. But what if, one day, it disappeared? Today on Cosmic Frontier, we explore what would happen if Earth suddenly lost its magnetic field, and how long life could survive without it. Let's begin. 1. What is Earth's magnetic field really? Deep beneath our feet, over 2,800 kilometers down, Earth's outer core is made of molten iron. As it churns and spins, it creates a planet-sized dynamo, a giant magnetic engine. This generates Earth's magnetic field, the north and south magnetic poles, the invisible shield around our planet. We call this region the magnetosphere. It protects us from the solar wind as a constant stream of charged particles from the sun. Without it, Earth is exposed. 2. The moment the magnetic field disappears. If Earth's magnetic field vanished instantly, compasses stop working, navigation goes haywire, satellites become vulnerable, the magnetosphere collapses, the solar wind would slam directly into our atmosphere. At first, there would be no explosion, no shockwave, no instant doomsday, just an invisible growing problem. 3. Auroras go wild, and then fade. With no magnetic field to guide particles toward the poles, auroras would spread across the entire planet. Night skies at the equator would glow with ghostly lights. Beautiful shimmering curtains of green, red, and violet would dance everywhere. But this beauty is a warning. The lights mark where radiation is hitting the atmosphere directly. Over time, as the upper atmosphere thins and changes, those lights would fade, along with part of our protection. 4. Radiation levels begin to climb. The magnetosphere normally deflects most charged particles. Without it, more cosmic rays hit the atmosphere. The ozone layer takes more damage, ultraviolet radiation at the surface increases high-flying aircraft passengers and crew get higher doses. Space missions become far more dangerous. We wouldn't be fried instantly. But long-term exposure risks would rise. Skin cancer, DNA damage, and radiation-related illnesses would become more common. 5. Satellites and technology. Take a beating satellite's orbit inside the protective bubble of the magnetic field. Remove that shield and electronics are bombarded by charged particles, GPS becomes unreliable, communication satellites fail. Global broadcasting is disrupted, internet infrastructure suffers, spacecraft would age faster, glitch more often, and require heavy shielding. Our modern, connected world depends on a protection we can't see. 6. The atmosphere slowly starts to escape. The worst effect is slow and silent. The solar wind carries enough energy to strip atoms away from a planet's atmosphere. We've seen it happen before, on Mars. Without a global magnetic field, Mars gradually lost most of its air. If Earth lost its field, the upper atmosphere would erode light gases like hydrogen and helium escape first. Over millions of years, Earth loses more and more atmosphere. This wouldn't make us suffocate overnight, but over extremely long timescales, Earth could become thinner-aired, colder, and less hospitable. 7. Life on the surface adapts or moves. Life doesn't give up easily. To survive higher radiation, living things would evolve thicker skin, shells or fur, live underground or underwater, become more active at night, develop better DNA repair mechanisms. Humans would respond with technology, building radiation-shielded cities, using denser building materials, avoiding high altitudes, hardening satellites against radiation, developing better sunscreens and medical treatments. We could survive, but the world would feel more hostile. 8. Could Earth's magnetic field really disappear? Earth's magnetic field does weaken and flip. Every few 100,000 years, the poles reverse. North becomes south and south becomes north. During these flips, the field can weaken to as little as 10 to 20% of its usual strength. But a complete and permanent collapse, that's unlikely. As long as the core keeps spinning and conducting, the dynamo keeps running. Earth's field may wobble, drift and flip, but it doesn't simply switch off. Outro, our invisible shield. Earth's magnetic field is one of our greatest protectors. We don't see it. We don't feel it. We don't think about it. But without it, our technology, our atmosphere, and our way of life would be in constant danger. A reminder that sometimes the most important things are the ones we can't see. Thanks for watching Cosmic Frontier. Subscribe for more journeys into the hidden forces that shape our universe.